Hello everyone, very warm welcome on this channel. Already we have uploaded four videos on the reconciliation part, and hope we have your comment is more valuable. We are working on the same part. So thank you so much for your wonderful comments on this part. As we promised that we will cover all the reconciliation product types going through this series slowly and steadily. Please connect with this channel. If you not subscribe, not like this, please like this. It's really motivate us. So today's topic, as you see in your screen, is about the loan. So the loans you already heard about in real life. It's related to the advances that we take from the and we pay in return as a interest. So it is the most trending in the corporate as well as in real life also. So I just want to explain how the loan is working. So for example, there is two parties involved in this. One is the lender and one is the borrower. The borrower requires some money for maybe XYZ reason. So if we take the real life example, somebody wants to buy the car, somebody wants to buy the home, etc. So just give a precise example, like a lender wants to buy a car in this scenario. So he reaches to the lender, means for example lender may be the bank only, and then he take the loan amount, and going forward he is paying the principal amount with interest. So if we take the example, some participants are lender or borrowers are the common one, and the bank is a common one, but some other things are also there, as you see on the screen. Like we noted as a at right side as issuers. So issuers are like that, who raise the money, like we take an example of Adani. Like Adani want to invest into the green energy, for example, and he need a money, so he can reach to the bank and raise the money. So for the money can be raised for the many reasons, for the new project, as a business expansion, or maybe to upgrade the business technology, etc. So maybe any business can do. And HNI clients, like for example Ambani want to now, just 6 months before he invested into the cola brands, like his Campa brand, cold drink brand. The same thing, just 4 year back he invested into the Geo, and now Geo is a trending and most of the people are using the Geo. So it is a helps to generate the business, expand the business. The most common thing, like common people, we are investing in the mutual fund. So most of the mutual fund are the PE fund who generate the money, take a profit booking, and then invest into the many thing. So PE fund also generating need money to invest into the products in the what is going into the market, like equity, bond, anything maybe. So they also need a money, so they also use the loan part, loan instrument, as well as government also release their various things in the in the short term and long term market also. So long term they releasing their bonds, like gold bonds they are releasing. Maybe there is some bonds on the green part, on the highways infrastructure, many things. So this is a part of bond. So what are the characteristic include in this part is that what things we should remember while taking the loan is that the principal amount what we are taking the loan, like we have to take the loan of a 10 lakhs, so principal amount will be the 10 lakh. What rate of interest, like for example, if you see the document of the loan, more this thing. So loan, if the loan is 10%, we are assuming the 10%, but if the loan is 10%, the bank will note as a 110%, means the principal plus interest they are noting like this. If loan amount is 9.8 per year or something, so they will note 109.90. so we have to be more careful while seeing the document. So loan period, how much year, like 10 year, 5 year, 2 year, how much. The loan payment means the EMI we are paying that. So many are not seeing that how much pay down amount is there, interest amount is there in this part. So we have to be sure on this part while applying for the loan. Secured and non-secured loan, which if you have some collateral giving to the bank, so it is come into the secured. If there is no collateral, so it will not do. So in future, in the further video, we will explain about the secured loan and unsecured loan. So be in touch with this channel, because why we explain this loan, because going forward we will explain loan related breaks in reconciliation, which will help to resolve day-to-day life, day-to-day corporate breaks with how to resolve this break. So stay connected with this channel. Thank you so much. If you not subscribe this channel, please subscribe, and we'll see in the next video. Thank you so much.